Hey everybody, how's it going? If you're new here, welcome. Today we're looking at the 7Ryms WA2 or the WA2 portable amplifier speaker. This is going to be a wireless lavalier that you can snap onto you. It's got a portable speaker, which is basically a megaphone in your pocket, and you can use this for presentations in the classroom and things like that. So let's go ahead and check it out and see what it can do. All right, and here we go. The 7Ryms WA2 with a WA2 portable voice amplifier. Does have that wireless lavalier that magnetically snaps in on the top. Does have that 65 millimeter speaker that's on here. You can have aux in. There's also Bluetooth on here, which is a really neat feature we'll check out later. And of course, multiple features for muting and using this wirelessly. But of course, before we get into it, we got to talk about the tech specs more in depth and what this thing has and what this thing can do. And we'll start out with the tech specs with the charge time. When charging, the microphone transmitter will take about an hour and a half to charge. The amplifier itself will take about 3 hours. And of course, when you're using it, you get about 7 hours of use out of the mic and 23 hours on the amplifier. Now, when charging it, you will need a 5-volt 1 amp when charging this. Anything above that may damage the battery, but just any regular charger should work fine. It does have Bluetooth built into it, so you can connect this to your phone, use it as a portable speaker if you would like. There is also a wired 3.5 millimeter jack where you can plug in a cable to use it as a speaker, plus an additional 3.5 millimeter mic input, so if you want to have a wireless lavalier or microphones that go around your ear. The speaker itself does have 150 hertz to 12,000 hertz. So not super great at reproduction on your voice, but it is loud. The louder the speaker gets, especially for its size, it will probably distort a little bit, but when you're doing a presentation, it's not about the so creamy clarity that you're looking for, but it's getting it out so people can hear you. And that covers most of the mid-range anyways. And the weight, if you're wearing the wireless transmitter, is 25 grams. The amplifier is 168 grams per their specifications, and we'll check that out later here in the weight test that we have coming up. But if you guys are enjoying it so far, feel free to drop a like on the video and subscribe because we've got more awesome things coming. And if you have any questions about anything on this video or any other videos on the channel, just drop them in the comments. I'll happily get back to you if you have any questions, use cases, and things like that. So just let me know. But with that out of the way, let's go ahead and get back to the unboxing so we can see what we get. All right, let's get this thing opened here. See what we get inside the box. Let's go ahead and get the accessories out of here. And even a little snack pack. Please don't eat these. You're not supposed to, but it is delicious. So we'll go ahead and get the portable amplifier out on its own. Underneath, we do have some extra goodies. Let's go ahead and get this out. They've got it in there really good. You gotta kind of get it out of here. It has its own little sleeve, so it looks like it comes up the top, but it doesn't. We'll go ahead and put this back in here. And let's take this out of the way, including the snack pack. All right, so let's get the goodies out of here. We got all the accessories. We got 5 little baggies. And let's go ahead and start off with the first one. And this is going to be your over-the-shoulder strap. This, you clip onto the amplifier, so if you just want to hold this on your side and just walk around with it. If you're doing maybe some tours, or if you just don't want to have it clipped onto you, you can just have that over your shoulder. We do have the USB-A to USB-C cable for charging. Again, this is going to need 5-volt 1 amp is what it's rated for. And then inside the extra little tiny packet, which we have to kind of struggle here to rip out, this will be your clip. And this is also magnetic, so the lavalier itself will magnetically snap to it. You can either clip it on or put this underneath your shirt if you'd like to just have it clipped there with a magnet. It's totally fine. Inside the second to last bag, we will have the manual and some extra little cards. You have a QR code. Go ahead and get that to focus here. If you need to have the manual, if you lose it. And so if you want to pause the video and scan that, you can. You have our quality assurance card showing that this has been tested and it passed QC. We also have our warranty as well. So if you want to pause that and read what the warranty has, then you can also fill out the warranty card here. And of course, we have some of the best primo manuals. It is a booklet. Please do that more, everybody. They're always great. It looks like this is a second revision. We can kind of see it looks like a little sticker that they put over here, so they may have made some modifications late after making the manual. But this is our main features. We have what comes in the box and the packing list. And then we start going into like the lavalier itself and how everything functions. This is the indicator light for the wireless lavalier, how to get everything paired, unpair, what the blinks are showing you, what it looks like. We also have some extra information on the Bluetooth and the aux in, aux out, and then the actual microphone, how to place it. Here's the additional 3.5 millimeter headset that you could use that kind of goes over your ear, or the two different areas of how to actually wear the amplifier on your side or with the strap. And then, of course, our specifications here if you want to pause and read. We went over those a little bit earlier, so if there's any additional info you want, feel free to watch that here. And then we go into the next language. So, love it. It's a book. Please make more of these. More companies need to do this. But let's go ahead and open up the thing that we've all come here for to check out. We got a huge clip on the back, but here it is, the 65 millimeter WA2. I mean, it looks good. It lasts quite a while for what it is, and again, it's got this massive clip, so that should go on your belt or your waist. Here's the wireless lavalier. It has a pretty good magnet on there. It's not just going to fall off. And so we can see that it gets connected. On the side here, we do have a button for the mic to either power it on or off, or if you tap it, you can mute. Right there on the back, you do have the logo, and that's where the magnet is. And so if you take this with the magnet, you can just flip it on, and that's it. And then just clip it onto you with the actual clip, or just use the magnet itself, and that's fine. So, looks good. We love it. Makes things a whole lot easier. And then you see the pins right there on top that it holds into. You can see just a little bit. Kind of try to get it to focus here on the side. We do have the volume rocker for it, so it goes really loud, so be careful with that. And then we also have the Bluetooth switch. So if you want to turn this on Bluetooth and then use this for your phone, play music through it, or if you have another system with another mic, you could technically connect to this with Bluetooth and then power through it. Right here on the bottom, we have some of the details, modeling information, and everything if you need that, along with the battery capacity. On top, we have a battery percentage, and then you can see that turns red when it's charging with that 86%. You have the power button. If you press and hold this, it'll turn off. It does take quite a while, and you do have to press somewhat decently on it, but I'm going to go ahead and give up on it. But with that out of the way, let's go ahead and do some testing with how this thing works. We will need to do a test wirelessly, so I'm going to go ahead and disappear, and you're just going to see the speaker, and I'm just going to go down halfway across the house because this goes up to 50 meters, and we'll see how well that works. And then let's go ahead and see how everything sounds.
All right, so this is going to be a sound reproduction. This is me being in a completely separate room and be coming through the speaker. This is on one of the lower modes, but this is quality of my voice with the wireless lavalier coming through.
But we are going to have to test here next how loud this thing can read. I'm going to go ahead and turn this thing all the way up, and then we're going to go ahead and test out how loud the speaker is, because you want to be careful, especially in the presentation or with kids. You don't want to hurt anybody's ears. So I'm going to show you at roughly the lowest point, the midpoint, and the highest point on the decibel levels. Now, this is going to be really close together, so just know if you're like standing next to somebody, it's going to be loud. But let's go ahead and visualize that. So I tried to record that as best as possible. It doesn't sound the best being reproduced from a mic to the speaker that only goes to 15,000 hertz and then being reproduced back out and recorded through another microphone. But you can get the gist of how it's going to sound. And then we also have the rough gist on how that sounds comparatively to, say, our recording with our DT990s, which are good, and then, you know, somewhat kind of reproduced with recording the audio and how it sounds with the music through it. Yeah, this is a bit not what it should be as far as the comparison, because it's a little bit unfair with the microphone and the speakers against what they're going up against, but it just kind of gives you an idea of what that is as much as possible, because it's kind of hard to record from all that and then cycle it back through. But the point is, you will be heard. It is loud, and you'll be able to convey the point that you're going across either in a presentation, or if you're maybe a teacher on the playground with kids, or if you're in the classroom, something like that. This is going to work great. And again, you will be heard and they can understand you. But let's go ahead and check out the weight comparison as we talked about earlier, the 25 grams of the 168. So let's go ahead and test out the weight here and let's see how accurate that is. All right, so we're going to start off here. We have 13.2, which it says 25, but not sure. That's way less, actually, way less for that. Then we have 160 for the actual amplifier itself, was just a little bit below what they say it is at 168. And then, of course, if we grab that and put everything together, you get 168 on the nose. So not sure if the numbers that they have in the manual are adding all this together, but we do at least get one of them, which is 168. But the wireless lavalier is way less, and so it's going to be way more enjoyable to wear. Next, we're going to go ahead and go into the sound meter, and I'm going to click everything as much as I can, and then we're going to see what those decibels are. We heard what that was and how everything clicks, but now let's go ahead and actually see the decibel levels as well. All right, let's go ahead and start clicking these around. My room noise is usually about 33 to 35. Clicking these things in and on the power button, it doesn't really go up but just a few decibels. The magnets, clipping it in, if you just let it jump in, it's going to be about 68, 70 or so. The volume rocker does have a little bit of a noise, and the little slide button as well does go about 5 or 6 decibels. And of course, the rest of these are just ports, so it's really not that loud. You could be pretty quiet when it comes to pressing the buttons. But with that being said, this is an amplifier, so you're going to be able to be heard way louder. Next, we're going to be going into the sound loudness test that we like to do. This is just going to click everything, all the buttons, everything on it, just so we can see how loud it is when in operation. So let's check it out. All right, and that's the 7Ryms WA2 or the WA2 portable amplifier. This thing is honestly pretty fantastic if you do presentations or if you're doing any kind of teaching. If you got loud students, loud kids, this thing will be great. It's basically a megaphone in your pocket, and it's wireless, rechargeable. You don't have to worry about batteries like some megaphones still use. And so this will be a great addition to any teacher or any presentation or presenter that would like to have something that's loud, convenient, and portable. I think this thing will be great. I've had this also going to be going out into the world and doing some additional testing with some teachers to see how these things will work. So if you guys want to know anything about that, just ask me in the comments down below, and I'll give you an update on that. But for that, feel free to subscribe, like, and again, any comments, any questions, let me know down in the comments down below. And until next time, keep an eye out for some more videos, and I'll be in the next one, so I'll see you soon.